Hello guys and welcome back for in the time it's past no, um my computer broke down and it broke down completely basically exploded. um well it doesn't work on your phone.
Oh,
No, it's like a weird like
you
thing.
know where that one is?
It's fine else unless I'm messing it. um so you got a new computer. So all my videos got deleted. So last week you saw a lot has passed. Cherry Blossom, money, yeah. Yeah, and update. I already played it a little bit, so basically, that's how it works. I got a bunch of grapefruits. Yeah, a lot of time has passed, like a lot of time, like too much time has passed. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, what's this guy want? Oh yeah, I also did a couple of these guys. A wet daffodil. That is pretty easy. These are daffodils, right? Yeah. And what ones? Okay. Wet. Wet. Works. No. Wet. Strawberry. What carrots? I'm gonna say that.
Where are you?
That's a big strawberry. Nope, nope, daffodils though. Okay, let's go look at the seeds. Oh, bro, I wanna look at the seeds. Okay, 40. I've never seen a pepper before. Mango, pumpkin. Those are good. Now daffodils. I'll take any orange tulips. Those are pretty hard to find sometimes. Oh yeah, so a lot of times pass. Let me explain this to you guys. Eggs. You buy eggs. Lots of money. You need to be rich like me. The best thing to get is Candy Blossom. Can't get that because the event passed. Try to give him seeds because he gives you some good stuff, but just try to get lucky. I guess I don't know. Get lucky. That's my advice. Get lucky. Also, just let go offline for like 5 days, and your stuff will just get godly good. Ooh, watermelon. Let's go. Well, daffodils though. I'm only getting the watermelon. It stinks. Just for stuff. Yeah. Also, what? I didn't even realize this. Wait, what? Wait, what? So these things are scams. They look so big. Look, I'm gonna collect it. Come on.
Sure.
Whatever. Yeah, I want some inventory. I'm probably not getting anything because I just collected like little stuff. Huh. I made a lot more than I thought. Okay, I haven't collected. Well, I guess I collected the grapes. Grapes are really good. Okay, so what? Yeah, yeah. Bro, look at this. Remember how big it was? Like what? It's so stupid. But yeah. So we skipped like 5 episodes. So I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You're just gonna have to deal with it, okay? But whatever. It's fine. So lucky. As you can see, I have Doges, and a pig. Dogs do something. I don't really know. They are pregnancies. They kind of stink. So to hatch these, I think we can sell them.
Archer.
Yeah, buddy. They all do different things. Okay, what are you doing? Feed pig? Get this. How old are you? You're 20. Take my candy blossom. Get in. Okay, how about 700?
No.
Bro, how old are you now?
Is he over here?
Wait, so you make them older by feeding them stuff.
Here.
How old is he? Bro.
Is he over here?
Bro's hunger. Bro's hunger. Wait.
No. Over here?
That is a okay.
Is he over
Hey, how would you like a oh. Okay. You are big boy, so I'm gonna get rid of you.
here?
I'm gonna pick you up.
Where'd you come?
Get picked up.
You. Was he over
Okay.
here?
Pets or okay,
No, he's hiding. Good.
golden lamb bunny. I can put this. What did Mr. Bunny do?
No.
Oh, I have carrots. Okay, well, I want to pick you up. Let's see what the other guy does.
Yeah, we're not going up.
Golden lad. What do you do, kid?
Dark glow.
What do you do? Bro, what do you do? Yeah, okay. 10%, so he's better. Do we have another gold? Just, another gold today. Get out of here. Sorry, kid. Pick up. We want gold, lad. We're better. I mean, they're golden.
There you go, buddy.
Oh no, I don't want to. Bro, this thing is pretty tough. Okay. Yeah, a lot of stuff's happened. Sorry, guys. So, yeah, whatever. It's okay. Hopefully.
You over there?
So, we have coconuts. Coconut nut is a very big one.
You
Did
gone.
I check all the seeds or did I just like check?
Missing.
Just,
Where could it be?
I should probably go to the gear shop. I'm right next to it, so it's pretty nice. Welcome to my stand. Show me gear shop.
Beats me. Beats me.
Travel.
You?
Wallpaper. What my daily quest?
Beats me. I don't know where he's at.
Pumpkin and strawberries. I can do strawberry really easily.
Oh, yeah?
Turn on my auto clicker real quick. My auto clicker, I mean my very slow hand. This one's really easy though. Nice. Okay. Raspberry, raspberry. I need daffodils.
Where did Archie go?
This is
Oh,
hard.
there he is. Oh, he didn't
Apples, mangoes,
there.
wraps,
Sorry about that. I couldn't find you. Good hiding spot.
log wraps.
Okay, you ready to go to bed?
Cacti! I don't want to harvest bamboo. It's just one time. Oh, come on. I guess I did pick 50. Well, but it is not going to be worth anything.
Ready?
Because I just picked strawberries.
You ready?
Yeah, see? It's not good. It's no way. See, that's not. Oh, come on. Oh, it's raining! Please. Nah, dang it. It said that's nothing. Bro, what the heck is this restock? I'll take one shit up. Man, I wish I left my daffodils down.
Hey.
I could have got wetted. Oh, he has a pepper. So not one time. Okay, good. I want a pepper. Why did I plant this here? Can I put this? I think it was like missing. The shower. Okay, I can move my eggplant. Okay, eggplant right here. Nice. What cactus? It's water. What does this mean? The fish just. What do you do? It has elements and orifices aggressive. What does it even mean? It's morning melody. These are really big grapes. This game is so unrealistic. No, coconuts! Okay, can I make it over there? Jump! Oh, come on. Okay, no, actually, I have a better strategy. What's happening? A better strat, okay? Look. Go here. Jump. Jump. Okay? Let me somehow get up there. No, I have a better strategy, okay? Even better. Go like this. Go up in here. And then we go from the top. Collect everything. The coconuts. Coconuts look smaller than they actually are in the tree. And cactuses are scams. Cactus scam you. They look really big and they like turn out like 50 times smaller. Oh wait, don't I have eggs? Do eggs? Okay. I have 6. These are really poor. They're not very good. but they're eggs. It only take 10 minutes because they're really bad. Man, if I had Robux, I'd just refresh it. It only costs like, I think 79 Robux or something. I was almost, it was pretty close. Stop raining, bro. What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing, bro. So how long do you do that for like 2 seconds or something? See, that is 15 seconds. That's not 15. Look at it grow, 1 pixel by 1 pixel. It's a very pixel game. Come on, give it back. Oh, that one. I want to put those in here. And oh, God bless you. This is my first prize position. There's only one. Gee. Still pretty good. Can I? Hey, you guys want to be fed? You are not hungry. What are you doing? What did you give me? But what did you give me? Seed. I have to rant. I should probably plant those. I don't know what he gave me.
There you go.
If you're wondering, Duran is like this weird tree. It's okay. It's kind of like a apple. I don't know. Bro, plant, plant. Okay, good. I need my. Oh. Water. Okay, cool. Bop, bop. No. Grow. If you do not grow, I will drench you and I will drown your whole family. I know where you live. Oh my gosh. That was quick. They listen to me. They listen. Hello, Mr. Doggy. I love you. Oh, I love you. Piggy. What do you do? I don't know. Piggy. That looks like they rebuffed it. It used to do nothing. Never mind. Why did I say that? Oh, never mind. I was doing stuff again. No, we don't go right now. I'm gonna pour more water on you. Look at your big brother. Look how good he's doing. Does he grow a little bit? Look at your other brother. I did what I said I would do. You better grow, otherwise you're a bum. Oh my gosh. This dude's only 55. We gotta give him some love. Okay, let me go check. What's over here? Carrot seed? I'm guessing carrot. That is a Why was there a giant ice thing? Okay, seeds. What do you have, sir? Nothing. Seriously, there's nothing. I guess you have orange too much. Oh, that guy's loaded in. Okay. Did you grow yet? I'm gonna I'll give you the shuttle treatment. So all your brothers have grown. If you do not grow with this one, then you're out. Bro, you better grow. You're not even that good. Bro, you have come on. Yeah, come on. You bet I'll give you the shuttle treatment. It's very simple. I click a button and you should grow. Did you listen to me? So annoying. Should I like gear shop? Well, at least I have 3 more. Travel I don't really need. Okay. You know, I always stick to my word. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, well, I guess you grew. You've been a good boy. Oh, oops, my hand slipped. Sorry about that. It's fine. It's an easy loss. I'm proud. What in the what? Oh my god. Bro. Hey, what happened? Oh, you left. Bro, your stuff is so frozen. Bro, this guy's for me. Oh my god, bro. Hi. Look, he is. Can you open up the message first? Yeah. Red 5. I don't know. There's makes potatoes in this game. Oh, your base right here. Okay. Okay. Check out plants. Bro, how much are it, bro? Yeah, I'm away here to the shopper sets. See you guys with them. Well, eggs are all common, but still, I'll flip these eggs. See what we get. Got big old dog. Why is the dog so big? Bro, how big? Oh my gosh! Dog. Bro, my god! Dog. Dog. He's bigger! What the heck? That's so weird. Oh, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Toasty out.